Hey guys, going to Walmart. Let's see what we can get on a budget. Look at the pretty pumpkins. $4.98. Hey guys, I just made it back from Walmart and I got a few things. You know how I like to shop on a budget, but I spent $50 and this is all I got, junk. But I just really went in there to get stuff for Taco Tuesday. And this is like, I think it's National Taco Day or something like that. So I got the best deal on ground beef. Were these tubes, what is it, just 1 pound for like $1 pound is $3.84. So I got 2 of those, $3.84, that's $8 for that. Got 2 packs of taco seasoning. You know, I can always make my own. That would have saved me $1. These were 48 cents each. And then got some Goya rice, yellow rice. I'm gonna have probably a burrito bowl with a little bit of rice. And then I got some tortillas got some tortillas just in case I might wanna have a little crunch on it. Some skins, some chicharrones. And I got some cheese puffs. Got a bag of Goya pinto beans. This is 14 ounces. We used to get 16 ounces. So shrinkflation, man, they're like killing us. And then a can of pinto beans. And I got the classic roast pods, coffee pods. Got that. Got a bag of avocados. I got everything I wanted. Some picante sauce. I used to be able to get this for $1. I think this was like almost $2. A little container of sour cream. I'm not sure how much that costs. Sour cream. I can't find that. And I got a container of spicy guacamole because these avocados aren't ready. So I want some guac tonight. Got some taco blend, some cheese. Head of iceberg lettuce. I'll show you the pears. 1 thing of what is this? Great Value creamy peanut butter. And some croissants. And that's all I got for about $50. And so I'll have tacos a couple of days. Pinto beans. Now that you guys aren't checking, those of you guys that have been following me for a long time knew that probably about throughout the pandemic, you know, I had budget-friendly meals. And so, but you know, those videos are fizzing out, which is fine with me because now I don't have to cook. But just want to just give you a glimpse of what's going on out there in the stores. And just give you an idea of what I would cook. But, you know, so I won't have to go through and you guys don't have to watch my cooking videos anymore. Just, you know, go Tanya's Tasteful Table is about being tasteful, you know, keeping the house together, tasteful holiday decorating, you know, just lifestyle. This is a lifestyle brand, so I'll just be bringing you guys a bunch of different things. When I started out on social media in like 2017, you know, I was uploading my crochet stuff. So I'm I am a big crocheter. I've been doing it for 50 years, since I was 10 years old. So, you know, just be bringing stuff like that to the fold, okay? So all this was $49 and something. So just wanted to share that with you. And when those of you that are new, I want to say hello and welcome and thank you for subscribing. If you're just dropping by my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. We just have a lot of fun around here, and we learn, you know, you can get some inspiration and learn a few things along the way. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Bye, Tastemakers.